Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Hour. Today, we're diving into the river to meet a funny, chubby, and splashy animal, the hippopotamus. Can you puff out your cheeks like a hippo? Poo off! Ha ha! Great job! Hippos love water. In fact, they spend most of their day in rivers and lakes to stay cool. Their name even means river horse. Hippos have huge mouths and giant teeth. They can open their mouths really wide like this. Ah! Can you open your mouth like a hippo? Wow! I bet you can't open it as big as they can, even though they spend the day in the water. At night, hippos come out to eat grass. And guess what? They can eat as much as 80 pounds of grass in one night. That's like eating hundreds of sandwiches. Baby hippos are called calves. Calves are born in the water and can swim right away. They stay close to their moms until they are big and strong. Time for a hippo quiz. Shout out the answers if you know them. What does the word hippopotamus mean? River horse. When do hippos come out to eat grass? At night. What are baby hippos called? Calves. Hippos are amazing animals, but they need safe rivers and lakes to live in. That's why it's important to protect their homes in nature. Wow! Friends, today we learned so many fun things about hippos, their big mouths, their love for water, and their calves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more animal adventures on Kids Hour. See you next time. Bye! Bye!